Hey first graders, this is Math L116 5-minute increments of time. At the top it's a spiral review. Look at what the coins are. Thomas Jefferson is on the front, so how much are you going to be counting by when you count these coins? Down here write the missing numbers by fives, and down here write the before and after numbers by fives. On the back you see these clocks, write the times underneath them. And then down here at the bottom, you have the times already at the bottom, and now you're going to draw the minute hands. The hour hand's already done for you. You just draw the minute hands. So let's talk about 5 minutes increments of time, okay? First of all, when we have a clock, we've already talked about how the word hour is short, so the shorthand is hour. The word minute is long, so the longhand is a minute hand. The big numbers are for the hours. So when I have the hour hand at the 7, it's 7 something. We've also talked about when the minute hand is on the 12, it's like the starting line at a race. You haven't ran yet, so there's no minutes yet. So if I have my hour hand here, my minute hand here, it's 7:00, which is also known as 7 o'clock. Now, when we're talking about minutes, we've already talked about how a quarter after is 15. Half, like 7.5, is 30 minutes. And then a quarter till is 45. We already know that. Well, did you know that when you look at these big numbers, you can use them to help you figure out the minutes by counting by 5. So we already know this is 7 o'clock. Now, we use this big number to count by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. And then it starts over at o'clock. So here, I have the minute hand on the 5. So it's 7, 5, but there has to be 2 digits for the minutes. So when I write this time, it's going to be, 7 ... 05. There has to be 2 digits after the 2 dots, okay? Now, if I have this, I count by 5s, 5, 10, so this is going to be 7, 10, 7, 15, 7, 20, 7, 25, 7, 30, 7, 35, 7, 40, 7:45, and you can see that the hour hand looks like it's getting really close to the 8, but it's not 8 yet. 7:45, 7:50, 7:55, 8 o'clock. Okay? So if I have the time, let's do this. Let's say I have my time like this. What is the time? Well, first of all, I'm going to look at my hour hand. It's at the 10. So it's going to be 10. Okay, just like that, 10 and the 2 dots, and now the minutes, 5, 10, 15, 20. So it's going to be 10, 20. What about here? Now this is really tricky. It looks like the hour is 11, but remember, anytime the minute hand is in this area, it's going to look like the next hour, but it's really not. So it looks like it's going to be 11, but it's not going to be 11. It's still 10, okay? And then for the minutes, we're going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So this time is 10:55. Just like that. Okay, so now I'm going to put a time on here. I want you to look at it, and you tell me what you think that time is. If you said 1:35, that's correct. So it looks like that. Okay. Now, we'll do another one. Okay, what time is that? If you said 6:50, you are correct. do another one. There you go. All right. Okay. What time is that? Okay. All right. If you said 12:55, you are correct. Okay. So now, if you have not had a moment to, pause the video and write the answers down on the worksheet. And now we'll go over the answers. Okay, so spiral review, it says count the coins. These are nickels, so how much are nickels worth? 5. So let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, down here, write the missing numbers by 5s. 95, 100, 105, 110. And this has 135. So what comes before 135 when you're counting by 5s? 130. So 130, 135, 140, 145. Before and after numbers by 5. So you have 35, 30, so 30, 35, 40. Here we have 90. It's going to be 85, 90, 95. We have 175, so this is going to be 170, 175, 180. On the back, it says write the times. So our hour is 3:15. Next one is 6:35. Then we have 4:10. And this one is 8:05. Okay? The bottom part, set the minute hand. So 10's already done for you. So 40, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 120. You already have 1. 5, 10, 15, 20. 12:30. You already have 12. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Ooh. It's okay if your lines aren't straight. Mine aren't either. It's okay. We already have 5. Technically, the hour hand should be closer to the 6, but that's okay. So 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. All right. There you go. If you made some mistakes, that's okay. Go ahead and erase them and fix them. Have a great day.